I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this video, how to read tab. Guitar tablature, or tab, is a very popular way to write down guitar melodies and show you how to play different licks and melodies on the guitar. The guitar is unique in that, unlike piano or trumpet or any instruments like that, there are many different voicings for any particular note or melody that you choose to play. Oftentimes the uniqueness of the melody that we love is due to its particular voicing, and tab helps you notate that. It shows you where to play the melody on the neck. Tab is very simple and easy to learn, but I'm going to make it a little easier. Put your guitar in playing position with a sheet of tab in front of you. I'm old school, I still use a lot of paper. If it's on your iPhone or your computer, fine, just have it in front of you where you can see it. Next, take your guitar and rotate it on the axis of the neck, so now you're facing the guitar strings. Now look at your guitar strings. Now look at the tab. Now look at your guitar strings. Now look at the tab. Do this as many times as it takes you to notice that there are 6 lines on the tab and 6 strings on your guitar. The top line represents the high E string. The bottom line represents the low E string. The numbers on the lines represent the fret on which you're going to push the string down. So, if for instance you have 3rd string, 2nd fret, with your fingertip push the 3rd string down immediately behind the 2nd fret. When you first try this on a melody that you like, take your time. Play slowly. It might take you a second to figure out the best position for your fingertips. If you find you're moving your hand up and down the neck a lot, you might want to find a better tab. If you start off with this finger and you're trying to play all within these 4 frets with one finger, well, assign each finger to a fret and let them play whatever notes happen on that fret. A confusing part for most beginners, and for that matter all of us, is there's no rhythm notation with standard tab. When you have just the 6 lines and the numbers, there's no way to tell which are the long notes and which are the short notes, or where they fall in the beat. The 2 tabs in the book are actually written in super tab, meaning that they have the standard notation over the fingerings for the guitar. For an old band geek like myself, that means I have an idea how the melody goes, but anybody can see where the 1 is on the measure. It's going to be that first note after each vertical line. The other good thing about super tab is it's usually written by professional transcriptionists, or at least amateurs who have taken the time to master the software to do it, so it's usually more accurate than just plain ASCII tab. So here's how we read the tab to green sleeves. It's in 3/4, so we're going to rest 2 and then come in. 1, 2. The next time you play it through, play it dead slow but with a tempo so that you can practice staying in time and getting your fingers in place in time, and then gradually speed it up. Take it a little faster every time you practice it. Soon you'll have it up to tempo. Remember, if you make a mistake playing it at tempo, that's a rehearsal, it doesn't count. It's much better to play it slow under tempo and get all the notes right. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Read Tab. Thank you for watching.